One of these days I'll get one. Just kidding. So, yeah, oh, look at that. This guy's got his Safety Scott. Oh, that's pretty bright, eh, Kev? I can tell you're
that's
squinting.
A little bright. I almost,
yeah.
Hold on.
Right, there you go.
Hey everybody, Rob here from the 50 Plus Sportbiker. Looks like we're going on our first official ride of Muskoka. Should be interesting. I gotta catch up now. I'll be back. I'd catch them. A lot of blind corners out here. You got to be real careful if you are coming around them. Example. We got Sparky and Liz and Crash, and leading us today is Jester. Good times. Tire warming time. Oh, going right at the lights. It's way up here. Oh my. I tell you, those cracks, they'll surprise you. Takes your bike all over the place. And I'll put up here. Hey Crash, now everybody thinks I'm crazy. I'll put up here what run this actually is. Gassed up anyway, and we're ready to hit the long haul, and I guess it's going to be about a 2.5 hour ride round trip, so it's a nice little easy one to get started. Coming into Bracebridge now, looks like. You're already here at about 5:30 a.m. getting coffee, and I had my regular breakfast at Tim Hortons. Oops, we're not turning here. Oh, time to fly. Heading on to 118. That's cool. My tires warm enough? Oh, gas station. There you go. Wow, if we had that trailer, we could have taken everybody up in one shot. That's it. Okay, see you guys after the gas break.
saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images, yeah. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel